Birds migrate for a variety of reasons, primarily driven by the search for food and suitable breeding grounds. As seasons change, many birds travel thousands of miles to escape harsh winter conditions. Imagine the instinctual pull they feel, guided by the changing daylight and temperature. During migration, birds often follow ancient routes, navigating using the stars and Earth's magnetic field. This journey is not just about survival, it's also about reproduction. Warmer climates provide abundant food sources, allowing them to raise their young in a thriving environment. Additionally, migrating helps reduce competition for resources. By moving to different areas, birds can find fresh habitats and avoid overcrowding. It's a remarkable testament to nature's resilience and adaptability, showcasing the incredible lengths these creatures will go to ensure their survival and the continuation of their species.